sunt Dan Cadar și vă spun bun venit în zonă. În spatele meu, în stânga și în dreapta, sunt hectare de standuri și mii de expozanți, pentru că ne aflăm la Mobile World Congress la Barcelona, cel mai important eveniment de mobile din lume. Vom începe povestea din interior, adică de la procesoare, creierele telefoanelor și tabletelor. Cei de la Intel și-au reconfirmat interesul pentru lumea mobilă, anunțând noi game de procesoare și mai mult decât atât se vorbește deja despre 64 de biți.
In smartphones and in tablets you have a new dual core coming up, which is best in class from a performance standpoint and which is best in class from a battery life standpoint, which is very important for users. Then you have a quad core, which is going to come in the second half of the year, also for smartphones and for tablets. That brings even more performance, more battery life, and also better graphics and imaging, which is very important for consumers. 64 bits is important because it's important for a lot of new applications coming up, and it's important for some very specific experiences you can have as a user thanks to those 64 bits. And this is what you have, by the way, already in 2-in-1s. For example, here behind us, 2-in-1s, Ultrabooks, convertibles, all those new innovations that we have been introducing on the notebooks until very recently, and more coming up this year. So now you will also have those 64 bits in smartphones and in tablets, which is very important.
În ultima vreme la zonă am vorbit foarte mult despre wearables, dispozitivele purtabile, ceasuri sau brățări inteligente, care se conectează de obicei la telefonul mobil. Este clar că asta este direcția în care merge industria, lucru care ni se confirmă și aici la Mobile World Congress la Barcelona în 2014. Una dintre primele companii care au sărit în acest tren a fost Sony. Smartwatch 2 nu a apărut astăzi, dar la Mobile World Congress am văzut o versiune updatată a acestuia, precum și o serie de wristband-uri care îți monitorizează activitatea fizică de care vorbeam mai devreme, prezentate de Sony.
Basically, Smartwatch 2 is a second screen to your Android devices. So what you want is not taking your phone out of your pocket all the time. You want to be able to check the time, of course, but you also want to be able to check your SMS, your email, Facebook updates. So whatever information you get on your phone, you can actually get it as a second screen on your smartwatch. It will come in two different versions. It's already available on the market. It has a stainless steel version that you can see here that I have, and you have a silicone version as well, black silicone. The smart band, that's the way you wear it, you will have it in black and in 9 colors in total that you can buy separately, will allow you to track not only your sleep or your steps, but whatever you have been doing during the day. Entertainment aspect and the social aspect as well. If you've been on Facebook, if you've been listening to specific music, all this is gathered in the LifeLog application.
The new Xperia Z2 comes with a 3200 mAh battery life. Together with stamina mode, it will last much longer than a day. It will come in Q2 and it will be around 600 euros like the previous version. We have a 5.2-inch live color LED with tri-luminous, and it gives you a better color range, in-plane switching for better viewing angles from all sides. And of course, with the new camera opportunities, we have 4K video recording, which gives you the freedom to record 4K videos and output it on any 4K TV.
De Lenovo se leagă una dintre cele mai importante știri din mobilitate din ultima vreme, și anume achiziția Motorola. Ceea ce spunem noi că nu trebuie uitat însă este faptul că Lenovo are propria sa linie de smartphone-uri și nu sunt deloc rele, ba dimpotrivă.
We're launching our new Full HD version of our Yoga tablet. So this is an enhancement to the product we launched last year. We've upgraded the panel to Full HD, upgraded the CPU to Qualcomm Snapdragon, and we put an 8 megapixel camera on it. The other thing we're launching here is our enhancement to our Vibe Z smartphone, our flagship smartphone. We're launching the LTE version of that phone. And we're also adding a range of our new A series smartphones, which is targeted for sort of the more fashion conscious, as well as a range of S-series smartphones which are designed for the business user, very long battery life, high quality camera.
Prieteni dragi, aici se încheie zona de astăzi, dar nu este problemă, mai este și mâine o zi și ne vom revedea de la 7:45 și 8:45 pe TVR1 cu alte noutăți de la Mobile World Congress Barcelona 2014. Sunt Dan Cadar și vă mulțumesc că ați fost astăzi alături de noi. Vă doresc în continuare o zi foarte bună!